Hello from Slovenia again. Today I feel to do a black and white straight pour with some iridescent precious gold by Pebeo and iridescent copper, but with Pebeo, but just a little bit of those two, mostly black and white. And I will layer my cup. So I will start with black and white and a little bit of copper. I have just a little bit of it, so, and black again and white again. And a little bit of gold. And black. And white. I was even in the frame. Copper that it's left, and some black and some white, and now my spinner is rolling. Is there any gold left in this squeeze bottle? So I just thought to use them up, you know, because it's black and a little bit of white. Okay, my cup is done. I will pour a little bit of what is here. That's the paint that was laying around for some time, and I obviously get this yikesy thing. Let's do that. The drip. If you will hear some little dog kind of crying, it's not my dog, it's the neighbor's dog. Probably when he is home alone. Oops. To go this way. Let's go down. Okay. Kind of lost my copper. Weird. I will just roll around and then I will spin. Okay, so let's spin that. Where is my gold? Disappeared. Totally weird. Wasn't hoping for as much gray. Weird thing. Don't think that it looks like something, I don't know. So I will just try to use this to give it a little interest maybe. So I will just go from this white, I think, like that. Because it just, I don't know, needs something, I think. You hear the dog? Let me try to bring a little bit of this copper there. I missed something now. Just go through the middle like that. I will leave it now because I will just mess it around. So here is a close-up. I'm so sorry that you hear the neighbor's dog, but obviously he's home alone. I love the simplicity of this painting and the depth here in the middle. So I'm really happy that I played with that I don't know, scraper, what it is to rack it, because now I can say that I am really happy with this painting. I don't know where I lost gold, but doesn't matter because I love it. So have a happy Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.